Om Paramatmane Namaha. My dear sadhaks and yoga followers, today our topic is Science of Yoga. Yoga is a complete wisdom, yoga is complete knowledge, and it is experimentally proved. So it is known as Science of Yoga. Maharshi Patanjali has written this Science of Yoga in Sanskrit language. There are 4 chapters in this yoga science and 195 small sentences are there in Sanskrit. They are called in Sanskrit sutras. We can call them as principles. In these 195 principles, Maharshi Patanjali, the writer, has explained completely about yoga. Actually, yoga is science of human life. He explained completely about human life. For that, first he explained about what is the true nature of human being. What are the special characteristics of true nature of every human being? He explained that. He is the source. What powers are present in that source, he explained it. It is the true nature, original nature. But some disorders take place. What are the causes for the disorders which take place in human nature? That also he explained. He told that the disorders are not true nature of the person, but they take place due to some reasons. And what is the effect of disorders also he explained in that book. How to remove them, that also he explained. Removing the disorders, he called it is yoga. Removing the disorders which is entered into the human nature and again attaining the true nature, that is yoga. It is announced by Maharshi Patanjali, the writer of Yoga Shastra. Total 4 chapters are there, 195 principles are there. Along with this, he explained yoga, how many types are there, how to practice them. Many people, experienced people, they tell that yoga is 99% practical. Yoga is 99% practical. Maximum practical processes only explained there, again to attain the true nature, to connect the true nature. Actually, what is the meaning of yoga? That also explained. Yoga word having several meanings, but one of the important meaning is joining. The meaning of yoga is joining. Joining with whom? Joining with the source. He explains that the source of every human being is already present in him. Really, the person is the source only. Again, connecting with the source, which is powerful one. Again, connecting with the inner source, that is yoga, he explained. So, this is about yoga in this episode, and in further episodes, we will try to learn about how many types of yoga he is explained there and proposed in that, and in further what are the disorders take place in human nature, how to remove the disorders, everything we will discuss in our further episode. So today in this episode, the only one topic, that is science of yoga, the meaning of yoga and his writer, and what are the basic principles topic explained in this yoga science. With this we are ending this. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.